Hello everyone, and welcome back to Webinar Wednesday by SpeedTech Lights. Last episode, we introduced the Webinar Wednesday concept and talked through aspects of STL that make us a leader in the emergency lighting industry. If you missed it, we gave an overview of how things like our website, SAE certifications, 5-star company ratings, patented product lines, Eclipse optic technology, and Max Gen LEDs fit together to create what we like to call the STL advantage. Not only do we feel these things set us apart from the competition, we also hope they give you a mental checklist to think about next time you're comparing us with other companies. If you missed our first episode, no problem. It's available on demand in the media section of our webpage. Just find the media link in our navigation bar, click webinars, and then the webinar icon. A recording of this episode and all future and past webinars will be added in the same place as they become available. Today we want to expand on episode 1 and focus on a topic that's vitally important to each and every customer that buys from SpeedTech Lights, our optics. We told you last week that our patented Eclipse optic technology with Max Gen LEDs is an important part of the STL advantage. Today we're going to explain why. Everyone ready? Alright, let's dive right in. To explain why our optic technology sets us apart from the competition, we need to get back to the basics. Strip everything down and build our way from the LED upwards. Without a lens, an LED is, well, just an LED. An LED itself has no focus, no magnification, no spread. It's just a power source without direction. That's where STL's Eclipse optic technology comes in. It takes the power driven through the LED and transforms it into a far-reaching, widespread beam of light that keeps us safe on and off the road. When we say patented optic technology, what we're really talking about is the proprietary lenses we use to maximize the light emitting from the LEDs. We have two different types of lenses at SpeedTech Lights, one with individual LED magnification and the other with unified magnification. Instead of their lengthier titles, we've separated these magnification types into what we call TIR and linear. The most frequent question we are asked is what is the difference between linear and TIR? In layman's terms, TIR allows for a wide spread of light with good distance visibility, while linear allows for a wider spread of light with extended distance visibility. So now let's look at them one by one. Let's start with TIR. The US government patented Eclipse TIR optic provides strong magnification over each individual LED diode using a series of concentric rings with a scalloped edge. This magnified light from the 3-watt LED is then spread horizontally at 35 degrees. As a result, beams overlap to multiply intensity and create effective optical power right where you need it. This overlapping effect produces a piercing combination of light, making it the ideal optic for powering through limo tint windows or undercover police cars. On the other side of the coin, we have linear. With the Eclipse linear optic modules, you have one single group magnifier for the entire array of diodes. Because the power of all the LEDs are combined before magnification, the resulting flash has more fuel prior to hitting the lens, allowing for a spread wider than TIR at 55 degrees. Linear optics also allow us to configure more LEDs into a smaller footprint module for extra compact warning power. For example, here's a close-up of a TIR light bar and a linear light bar. As you can see, the modules themselves are the exact same size. However, because of the efficient Eclipse linear design, we're able to fit 6 Max Gen LEDs in the same space as the 4 LED TIR module. With the extra power from the magnifying lens and the increased LED count, the Eclipse linear optic produces a beam that travels longer distances with a wider spread. Let's take a look at the light spread side by side. As we mentioned before, notice the overlapping effect of the individually wrapped TIR LEDs versus the group magnification of the unified linear optic lens over the LEDs. Both optics are extremely powerful, just slightly different in design. The TIR with individually magnified LEDs and 35-degree spread versus the linear with unified magnification and a 55-degree spread. So this brings us back to the original question, which is right for you? Well, the answer is really that it varies based on your unique setup, budget, and usage. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Our knowledgeable customer service team would be happy to give you a hand and guide you towards the optic that's best for you. Our optics are a huge part of the technology that goes into each and every one of our products. But they aren't the only thing that makes STL special. At SpeedTech Lights, we're lighting the way by always striving for more. More brightness, more features, more efficiency, and more trust. We're not waiting around to make improvements. We make them every single day. Whether it's increasing power and efficiency, enhancing designs to reduce diode footprint, limiting amp draw, or adding unique functionality like variable driven and multicolor LEDs, we work tirelessly to bring maximum generation products directly to the customer. When we say trust is earned, this is how we earn it. Bringing you industry-leading products to market by building our products from the ground up. From the LED diode, to the circuit board, to the optic lens, all the way through to the sleek and unique finish, SpeedTech Lights is truly lighting the way.